Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about the Module32Next function. Okay, so the Module32Next function, just like the Process32Next function, it retrieves the information about the next module associated with a process. Okay, so the next module. So just like the Process32Next function, it also only has two parameters. So again, we just push the offset of the ME32 or the module entry 32 structure and the handle, the H module snap handle. And we just simply call module 32 next. Okay? So just so that we can output the module and the module path again, I've called std out on the offset of the me32.sz module and the offset of me32.szexe path. Okay? So let's save project console build all. I see no errors. Let's open up a terminal again and let's do test.exe. And as you can see, we have here test.exe, which is in the C users Lester desktop test.exe. And the next module is the ntdll.dll, which is located at C Windows System 32 ntdll.dll. Okay. So as you can imagine, just like the process 32 first and process 32 next, you can basically build a loop to show all of the modules and module paths using MASM32. Okay, so that is module 32 next, and I hope to see you again next time.